Okay, so in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injections work on the Altoro Mutual websites, and I will explain its impact on web security. But first, let's perform the SQL injection by using this and typing anything password. So as you can see, we have logged in into the admin account. So let me explain how this works. Okay, so a typical login form takes a username and password and checks them against a database. So a common SQL query for authentications will look something like this. Now, we enter the admin here in the username field. So the SQL query change it to something like this. Okay, so let's break it down. So the admin here, the single quote closes the string for the username, and the double dash is an SQL comment that tells the database to ignore the rest of the query. So what's the effect of that double dash thing? So the query ignores and passwords, which is equal passwords, meaning the password check is completely bypassed. So it won't check if the password is correct or not. And this query checks only if the username admin exists, and if so, it will grant access. So why is this a security risk? This type of SQL injections allow unauthorized access to the system. So if the database is poorly secured, attackers can modify, delete, or even extract sensitive data. So how can you prevent this? First, you can use prepared statements. So prepared statements will look something like this. So these prepared statements bind values safely. And second, you can use escape user input. So properly sanitize inputs using library like the MySQL real escape string in PHP or the SQLite.escape in Python. So 3 is you can limit database permissions. So the database users should have a minimal privileges, no direct access to modify tables. You can also use web application firewalls. So a WAF, web application firewalls, can detect and block SQL injections attempt in real life. So yeah, those are ways to prevent SQL injections.